Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be seeing what is an API, what are the different types of APIs, what are the different architectural types of APIs, and towards the end of this video I will be telling you how you can see which web application is using what APIs. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start. API. So API's full form is basically application programming interface. And what this diagram, this particular abbreviation does not make much sense till I explain it to you. So let's start with a basic example as an image is shown over here. Just imagine that you are sitting in a restaurant, you have gone to a restaurant. So effectively you are sitting at the front end of the restaurant, right? You're sitting on the chairs and tables and it's beautifully set up, right? Front end has to be beautifully set up. So what you do is that there is a menu right in front of you and you have certain option to choose from, right? And you call the wait staff over there to get your menus sorted out and what you want to order. So you tell the wait staff, okay, I want this particular dish. So now the wait staff go to the back end, or what you can call the kitchen of the restaurant, and tell them, okay, that this particular table, this needs order. Okay, this is the order that they need. So effectively the waiter in between, or the wait staff in between, act as your API that is interacting both with you as the front end and the back end as the kitchen. Okay, so I hope this is a very good example and definition of how the API is and API works. So there are a lot of different types of APIs that are being used in the market right now. And like, yeah, so private APIs are there which are used within the application and are for private consumptions only and not exposed to the thousands of users out there. Whereas there are public APIs that are exposed to everyone for free to use basis, or certain applications that give the third party developers the APIs for that. The partnered APIs are there when two companies come together and make one particular API that's a collaborative project or something like that. And there are a lot of different types of architectural styles while categorizing APIs. Okay, so REST is the most famous and the most widely publicized API, and every other company is using REST only right now in these days. So they have popular methods, HTTP methods, that are get, post, put, and delete. And we will be talking about these things, these particular methods in the further upcoming videos as well. SOAP is another one of the architectural style of the API. GraphQL is it's not a new, it has been for quite a long time now, and many companies are starting to adopt the GraphQL as well, which has a lot of different use cases, and it depends upon the company's use case about what they're using. And webhooks is one kind of there, and gRPC is. Okay, so this is what the API is basically is, and it can be used across a lot of different organization, a lot of different use cases, and you can definitely have a look at the real world examples about what these APIs are and what they are using and everyone is using. So this particular resource, I find it really helpful. I will definitely attach this link to the description as well. So let's move on and see how you can open any website and check which APIs they are using. So we'll go ahead and let's go to the sign in of this Postman. Okay, and we will go to inspect, and then we will go to networks tab. Okay, so let's type some random username and some random password, and we'll click on the sign in button. Okay, so now see this. Of course, we have entered a random email and password over there. So it is giving a bad request error, but you can see that this is a post API and it is giving us the error as 400 bad request. So let's go ahead and check the payload as well. So yeah, I have passed Sid, and yeah, this might be the password that I have entered over there, and the response. So this is the response that makes the difference. So we as the front end are hitting this API, that is the login API, and we are getting this response from the back end. So hope you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to study more about what these different types of REST APIs are, and post, get, put, and delete. I will be discussing these in the further upcoming video.